It was a severe weather day here in our region as our entire coverage area experienced storms and tornadoes. You are looking at several photos and videos sent in by viewers as those storms and tornadoes were taking place today. So if you sent in videos for us, thank you so much. We appreciate you and thanks for joining us tonight at 9. I'm Jacqueline House. Now, our Weather Authority team has been keeping an eye on the skies and the radar this evening, and they've been at it for probably about 6+ hours as a threat for severe weather continues across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Let's go ahead and bring in Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff. Hey, Dan, we know the weather team has been super busy, probably more than 6 hours, I imagine, Dan.
Yeah.
Your team has been tracking all the storms and everything that's happening. Let's talk about what we learned this evening first from Madison County, that a swift water rescue has been conducted in the Withrow Springs State Park area. So we know that there is potentially some flooding happening in our area as well, Dan.
Really heavy rain that's coming down. And I know you see the tornado tie. I haven't had time to change it, but our tornado threat is winding down. We're transitioning to that heavy rain threat. But as we look at Heil Heating Cooling Mega Doppler, we're going to take you on a little bit of a tour. There are so many flash flood warnings that it basically covers our entire weather coverage area. And there's one flash flood warning that expands over 270 miles. So that's a pretty decent distance in terms of the length of that flash flood warning. But as we pan up to the north here, we'll show you northwest Arkansas seeing rain and thunderstorms. Some of these cells are going to produce heavy rain. We've already seen north of Huntsville, Withrow Springs, as you mentioned, that state park that has swift water rescues. That's because of the tremendous amount of rain last night into this morning. Working our way south, you see the rain that's falling in the River Valley. We got to watch this isolated cell right here. It's a little bit out ahead of the line. There still is that small potential for a little bit of rotation to develop, but so far everything's been pretty tame. We work our way south and you can see that line continuing to expand. Now I got to show you this video because we got a lot more video. We got a lot of pictures. I know you're going to be sharing a lot of that. But this is from our WeatherBug Network camera. You're going to see, looking off in the distance on the left-hand side of the screen, we see a funnel developing, and there it is. That was the tornado that touched down near Little Flock. You'll see the damage reports from that. Now that's sped up. That's a time lapse of 13 minutes over 30 seconds. So we kind of sped up just to show you that rotation. You can see those clouds spinning about. So where exactly did all that come from? Well, really it started about 2 o'clock in the afternoon as cells were already popping up. There's those isolated cells that were tracking northeast, produced tornadoes in Adair County. We know that for a fact, west of Titanic. In fact, we got some incredible drone video from Charles Peak. We'll be showing that later on in the newscast. But you'll notice here we've got that confirmed tornado, considerable tornado that was reported. There's all the reports coming through west of Westville's, over 70-mile-an-hour winds. There's that at 338 west of Titanic. Then you had in Adair County near Watts, 406, some minor building damage and broken lines and limbs. South of Siloam Springs, tornado crossing Highway 16 that a spotter observed. Our own Michael Craddock on Highway 59 was having that tornado pass almost directly over him. And there's those rotation tracks that show up, extending all the way from southwest of Webbers Falls, northeast, and continuing into the Rogers area as you saw those tornadoes, and then multiple other tornado warnings. Now, the good news is that the tornado threat's winding down, but heavy rain and flash flooding still a possibility. Jackie, it's going to be a while until this rain moves out. Early morning, late morning, but by the afternoon, Election Day is looking a lot better. I'll have more on that, and I'll have more viewer videos and pictures that are really astounding.
Thanks so much, Dan. And we do have some additional photos that we want to show you. These are videos from our viewers that you sent coming into our newsroom tonight. You can see that funnel right there from the tornado that touched down. This is courtesy of Tia. If you have photos or videos that you want to send to us, please head over to our website. You can go to Submit Your Photos tab, and we will get those photos and videos either on our website or worked into our newscast. Well, our area is no stranger to severe weather, and it's been less than 6 months since a series of tornadoes touched down and devastated parts of Decatur and Rogers. And today, another tornado touched down in the Rogers Little Flock area. Let's go to our Gabriella Phelan, who is live now out in Little Flock. Gabby, walk us through the damage that you're seeing.
Jacqueline, we're here in Little Flock where we believe some of the worst parts of this tornado hit. I talked with Mayor Van Sickler, and he tells me so far that about 3 houses they found have had serious sustained damage, with their roofs being completely torn off. And if you take a look at your screen, you'll see some video that we captured of a home here on 13th Street. The Red Cross says the people that lived here seemed to just be in shock as their brick garage was completely demolished, and even one of the cars that was in the garage was picked up and moved about 150 yards across the property. You can still hear the smoke detectors ringing in the house, and you can see where there's no longer a roof. The Red Cross and Mayor Van Sickler say they will begin damage assessment tonight, but it's also going to continue into tomorrow morning. And as of right now, they believe no one was injured and that everyone that was in one of those 4 houses made it out safely. And as we learn more, we'll update you online and on air, so stay with us. Back to you.
Gabriella, thanks so much. And we did show some photos of the home where Gabriella was that she was just talking about. Well, Benton County also saw some damage as a result of those storms tonight. We did have a team in Siloam Springs where Fire Chief Dusty Kennel tells us that the majority of the damage was in the southern portion of the city, like on Keck and River Valley roads. There are downed tree limbs, and fire crews had to clear the roadways with chainsaws. With severe weather potential still ahead, Chief Kendall says he wants to remind people that they need to stay vigilant and aware.
If you have any emergencies, call 911. Keep monitoring your weather radios. Keep tuning into your weather stations, watching that weather. Be ready for it. Be weather ready.
And those crews will remain on standby this evening.